This help video will explain how to produce a report showing the number of enrolments, student count, within a specific date range by student country or, if required, agent country. Enrolment statistics reports only give the student count or numbers. If you wish to report on statistical weeks or financial values, you will need to use the invoicing statistics reports. So to produce the student numbers, if we select on Reporting module, and the second icon is the Enrolment Statistics. If I select Add to create a new report, so there are two tabs to use, the General and the Sorting. So on the General tab, if I name the report, in the Basis field you have three options. Booking Based. This is based on the date the booking item was entered into the system. This refers to the course, accommodation line, etc., and not the date that the student's enrolment was entered into class. Date Spread is based on spreading the enrolment element, e.g. tuition, over the duration of the stay or study, so the dates attended the school. Date Arrival is based on the student's arrival date from the Enrolment General screen. I'm going to select on Date Spread. Then you have the From date, so enter the start date for the report. I'm going to select 1st of January 2015, and then you have the period type. You can select days, weeks, months or years. I'm going to run it for 12 months. And then you have periods, so this is already set to 12. Then you have a couple of other filters. Exclude students arriving after. So you may have set your selected date range for 1 year from the 1st of January 2015 to the 31st of December 2015, but you want to exclude students arriving after the 5th of December, for example. The next filter excludes students booked after, so it's similar to the above field, but this excludes any booking items added after a certain date. So for example, if a long-term student is starting a new course in December 2015, you may wish to exclude this from the results. You then have the field to use agent country. So because we want the student count by country, you have the option to either use agent country or use student country. So the default for running this report is student country. You can change this to use agent country by ticking this box. So now I'm going to select on the Sorting tab and add a sort, and I'm going to use the country name as we want the count by country. Towards the bottom of the screen, you also have further selection tabs. So you can be selective by school, agent, territories or student countries. So schools could be if you have multiple schools but only want to report on one at a time. You can be selective by certain agents, territories and countries. So once the criteria is set up for your requirements, select Excel to produce the results. So here's the Excel results. In column A you have the countries, and then the further columns, month by month, is the student count by country with the totals at the end. So that's now come to the end of the help video. I hope you found this useful and thank you for listening.